Hi, my name's Archie from NoteForms. Do you know that you can enable or add rich text input field to your forms? Well, this is possible, and let me show you an example. So here we have a content submission form. You have the name, email, the submission, and the category. So we already have the form pre-filled out, and here we have the submission input field where we have the option to modify the form or the text format. So the header, we can make it as a header, make it bigger. We can even change the color. Let's just say we'd like to use blue. And then some of the items here we would like to highlight. Say enjoy, we would like to make this as green and then highlighted. And smooth and easy, we would like to highlight this as well. Underlined in green. Simple and effective form, you would like to highlight this, say for example, in blue. And here you can submit the form and we can go to your form, content submission, and go to the Notion database. And you'll be able to see the submission formatted accordingly. Notion forms are great. It's built in, straightforward, and easy to use. However, it doesn't have advanced form features, such as rich text input field. And this is very helpful, especially if you would like to allow your users to personalize their submissions and format their text accordingly, such as, for example, feedback forms or content submission forms. So now let me walk you through on how to add a rich text input field into your form. So here we're going to create a new form. And then we have the option to choose an existing Notion database, use AI to generate a form, create from scratch, or browse form templates. For convenience, we're going to use the AI form builder and we're going to create a content submission form. And click generate and wait for AI to build the form for us. So 6 seconds structuring the form, organizing the form layout now by 12 seconds. It's creating field labels, setting up the form structure, 17 seconds. 20 seconds, it's optimizing user experience. We're almost there. In less than 25 seconds, we already have our form created. It's content submission. You have the name, email, the submission, and the category. What we need to do here is just go to the uh, text input field that we would like to modify. And on the settings, go and scroll down to text options and enable rich text formatting. And then once done, click publish form and then select the Notion page where you'd like the database created and then save form. And as easy as that, you already have your form created with the rich text input field enabled. Hopefully this video helps, but if you still have questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to us via our live chat support, and we will be happy to answer your questions. Again, my name is Archie, and thanks so much for supporting NoteForms.